Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I wanted to walk through the newly launched 2023 planner from a brand called NEORAH. So let's get started. Proceed, I quickly want to mention that if you would make a purchase from this brand, make sure to click on the link in the description box. If you use that, you will get 5% off on your purchase. So we have this accomplished 2023 planner. I loved it. I recently came across their brand on Instagram and I wanted to walk through with you guys because I feel it works both ways. Me sharing about new brands and what I think about a specific launch will help you guys make a better decision. And then hearing what you guys think about it in the comment section helps me make better decisions too. So I love making this video and I hope you enjoy watching them. So let's go through one of these. The inside pages I think would be the same, and then we have lots and lots of color options to choose for. Let's go into one of these. I love this size. It looks so cute. I think it's very similar to the Hobonichi planners. I've never really used those planners, but I like the size whenever I look at them on Instagram when it's being used by someone else. So I love that one of the Indian brands has the size of a planner. Okay, so this is the cover. You have, it's pretty plain, so it's great for I feel for work and stuff like that. And then you have an elastic closure and it says accomplish in gold at the top of the planner. I love it. I think it would just be perfect for offices. And then this is the inside page, so an introduction wherein you write your name, important contacts and important dates. I like the width of it, and I also love how the height isn't compromised, so you're not losing a lot of space. It's not exactly the tiniest planner that you can get, so it would just be perfect to make a note of things but at the same time keep it compact. So I have title pages and looks like we have two bookmarks, so it's nice to keep one on the monthly calendar page and the other one in your daily pages. Then you have vision board. I like it. I like how simple it is. All of these editions have been done by them itself, so you can customize it however you want, whether it's with stickers or doodles, or even if you just want to make a list, it would be great. And it's also grid, so if you have a hard time writing straight on plain paper or for doodling, it acts as a guidance, so that's really nice. Then you have the monthly calendar page. It looks pretty like in terms of the type of spreads they have, it's very minimal, to the point and nice. And the more I look at it, the more I feel like, okay, for work this would do really great. And also if I was a student, then probably it would have worked well for as a student planner too. Then on the monthly calendar page, we have spot for quotes, goals, then things to do, habit tracker. It's pretty packed and nice. Just because it's a small planner doesn't mean that there's not space to write a lot of these things. Then the calendar page. Then we have weekly pages. So on the left hand side, you have spot for writing your priorities, affirmations, and then you have this weekly layout. Monday to Friday you have full bar, and then for Saturday and Sunday it is divided into two. Then accomplished and grateful for, and then a section for notes. And then you have the habit tracker here as well. When I was studying in college, I used to use a planner for which the layout was quite similar. On the left hand side you had this daily layout, and then on the right hand side you had a notes page. So I would mark down my classes and any assignments that were due on this side of the page, and on the other side I would make notes in class, and also I would make a weekly to-do list that I had to do throughout the week, but there wasn't any specific day for. So I like this weekly layout. It has worked well in the past for me, and yeah, it looks quite nice. Then we have the collection pages to write down your contacts, a password log, birthdays, anniversaries. And then you also have financial trackers. So here you can see, you can write down date, item, then what's coming in, what's going out, then what's the balance that you have left, and also previous balance, how much you have made, then what were your expenses, how much are you saving, then how much are you moving ahead towards the expenses of next month. So you have it for all the 12 months here. Then you have something called as passion tracker too. So this is really nice actually, and you have 2 pages for it. I feel what I would have done is, on one side at the beginning of the year, I would have made a list of things that I want to do in that particular year, and at the end I would have come and written down stuff that I had actually done in that year. Then you have notes pages, lots of notes pages, then yearly review too. I like that it has a space for making a note of certain things, but at the same time it's not guided, so you can customize it however you want. Here you go, you have a spot for doing your review, but how you do it, it's totally up to you. So it's very minimal, looks quite professional, would be perfect for work or for college. So it's nice, and it'll be nice as a gifting option too, in case you want to gift it to someone for their work. So product description and priorities, habits, yes, we went through all of these things. Then financial tracker too, passion planning. So this is, oh, it's actually undated. I thought because it had they'd mentioned 2023. Okay, my bad. I thought it's actually dated, but it's undated, so you can use it right away. And then this is handcrafted, compact, travel size, and comes in a vegan leatherette hardcover. Has 176 pages, acid free, cloud free, buttery smooth, photochromic sheets of 100 GSM. Okay, 100 GSM, I think it's pretty normal in terms of planner pages. I have used planners that has 120 GSM, and that works really well, but in the past I've used 100 GSM, so that's pretty good too. Then it lays flat, so that's nice, and silk blend bookmarks and elastic closure. So we went through all of the specifications. And another thing is, this is a family run business, and they have been into publishing and all of like similar things since 1969, and they are from Madurai. So it's a nice Indian brand, family run business. In case you want to support them, that's great. And then I just quickly want to give you guys an overview of the type of planners that you get. This is a petite size, which I really liked, and I was quite excited, and I wanted to walk through with you guys. But you also get a similar one in the A5 and I think in the B5 as well. B5 and A5. Then in case you want to buy it in a in a box, in a bundle, then here's what you get. And the bundle is only for the A5 size, I guess, because I'm not able to see any other bundles. Here you have a planner, then a notepad, a notebook, as well as some stickers. So this is a pretty good deal for 1599. And then there are tons more products too, planner accessories, wellness planners. Let me know if you want me to go through the others as well, because I feel like there's a difference in the weekly layouts. So let me know about that. And in accessories, by the way, in case you want to buy these stickers separately, they do have it for, let's see, for 399. Pretty functional ones. You have it in lots of colors, and it fits right into the back pocket of your A5 size planner. So yeah guys, let me know if you want me to walk through other products in this particular brand. I like the petite size. The A5 one looks nice too, and the B5 one, I think it would be quite large. I'll go through the other ones after I film this video and have a look. Anyways, just another reminder, in case you want to make a purchase, you will get 5% off in if you use the link in the description box below. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about it and what other brands you want me to check out and do walkthroughs on. And I will see you guys in the comments and also in the next video. Awesome.